Hello, today I will show you how we can create overlapping patterns. So let's go to the left side menu, Elements, Lines and Shapes, and choose Cycle. Now make it smaller and duplicate a few times. Now let's change the color. I'm going to adobecolor.com and now I'm copying the code and change my cycle color. Just copy and paste it to Canva. And now let's adjust all fonts. And now I will copy it. Now I group it. And now we can download it as PNG file. And here you go. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you want to learn more, check my new Extensive Canva Master course on Udemy. Link you will find in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.